Breaking tonight, severe thunderstorms took a turn for some homeowners in Greenville.
7 News' Lauren Miller was on the scene this evening of trees that fell on 2 homes.
This scene came as a complete shock to the neighbors here on West Parker Road. At least 2 trees have fallen on 2 mobile homes, and the neighbor who lives in this one says it's destroyed part of her home.
This tree right here is through the living room, down into the living room, and the base of it is through the back. The windows busted out, the roof is caved in. It's a lot of damage.
It's not what Brandy Hawkins expected when she came home.
I was actually out doing some DoorDash. I just pulled up and I seen the tree across the house. Panic. Are my animals okay? I mean, yes, it's my home, but are my animals okay? Everyone was okay. Don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Brad Ballou, the battalion chief with the Parker Fire Department, says once storms rolled through, his department received multiple calls.
We had that line of storms roll through between 6 and 7 o'clock. It did cause an influx of weather-related types of calls.
Crews were stretched thin, he says.
Automatic fire alarms were going off. We're responding engines to those. Cars and flooded roadways were, stranded. We had to respond out there for those. Just multiple power lines down, trees down the roadways, and then this one behind me with a tree down on the mobile home.
But it wasn't long until neighbors started to clean up. Chainsaws started up and people worked quickly to remove branches leaned against their homes. The Parker Fire District says calls have settled back down and no injuries have been reported. In Greenville, Lauren Miller, 7 News.
Quite a mess in so many areas. The Parker Fire District urges people not to drive through flooded roadways and not to approach down power lines during severe weather like we saw.